A string in JavaScript is a sequence of characters where each character is represented as a 16-bit value. So by default, JavaScript uses the UTF-16 encoding to store string data. Of course, if the data is coming from the server and content encoding header is set to UTF-8, the browser will interpret the string correctly. But we are not talking about that here. We are talking about the string data type in JavaScript. In most commonly used cases, you don't even have to worry about these details unless you are working with internationalization, supporting multiple languages on your website. But that's a whole different complicated thing altogether, and let's not get into that here. As you have already seen earlier, we can declare a variable and assign it some string like this. Now here, message is a variable and hello world is literally a string. Such data that appears literally in your programs are called literals. So here, hello world is a string literal. A string literal may be surrounded with double quotes as shown, or single quotes like this. Many other programming languages use single quotes to represent a character literal, but in JavaScript we don't have an inbuilt character data type. We just have strings. So even single characters must be stored as strings. So we may choose to use either single quotes or double quotes to surround a text literal. What happens if we want to have a double quote or a single quote character within a text literal? Well, many programming languages support what is called as escape sequence. And JavaScript is no different. We can escape a character by using the / character. So if we want to have a double quote itself within a string, we can escape it like this. Of course, if the string is quoted within single quotes, then there is no need to use escape sequence if we want to have a double quote within the string. Similarly, if the string is quoted within double quotes, then we can have single quotes as part of the string without escaping it.